Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how I made these amazing cookies with coconut flakes. Really easy and absolutely delicious. I'm gonna use 1 egg for the dough, 400 grams of flour, 90 grams of sugar, 125 grams of butter that I'm gonna melt, 80 milliliters of sunflower oil or canola oil, either way it's good, lemon zest from 1 lemon, a pinch of salt to bring out the sweetness of these cookies, 8 grams of vanilla sugar because I want them to be really flavorful, and I'm gonna add some vanilla extract as well, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 30 grams of cornstarch. As you can see, basic ingredients that you can find anywhere, and it's gonna be really easy to assemble these cookies as well. I'm gonna show you step by step how to do it. I'm gonna combine flour with baking powder and cornstarch. So we start mixing all these dry ingredients. In another bowl, I'm gonna combine 1 egg with sugar, and I will mix these two together really well. You can use a mixer if you want. I just use this whisk. I will add vanilla sugar as well. You can add also vanilla bean if you want, or vanilla paste. I added vanilla extract as well, a pinch of salt. I'll grate only the yellow part of my lemon here, and I'm using lemons that are destined to be used for human consumption, even the zest. They are not treated, and I washed it really good before using it. So I'm mixing in my mixture here lemon zest as well. I've told you that I'm gonna melt the butter, and I did so in the microwave. So I add melted butter and oil and dry ingredients, combine everything, and knead the dough a bit to make sure that everything is well combined. Start your oven preheated at 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. We're gonna bake these cookies in the oven, and I'm gonna start shaping the cookies one by one. I'm gonna take some of the mixture, like 1 teaspoon from my dough, and shape them between my hands, like some eggs, a bit elongated, and place them on baking paper in my oven tray. With a fork, I'm gonna press only the bottom half of the cookies to imprint that fork in the dough, and I'm gonna bake them in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes depending on the oven, until they have a bit of color at the base. After that, I'm gonna take them from the oven and let them cool down. As you can see, really easy to prepare. To decorate them, I will use 50 grams of white chocolate and 50 grams of dark one, and some coconut flakes. I'm gonna melt the chocolate on water bath. So I'm gonna place the bowl with chocolate on top of hot water and let it melt, and dip each cookie in melted chocolate, either white or dark, and after that dip them in coconut flakes, and let them at room temperature until the chocolate is gonna be solid again and they are ready to be eaten. So as you can see, really easy recipe, and they're absolutely delicious, and you can store them in a jar with a lid quite for a few days. They'll be good, so you can have them nice and soft each time. I really hope you're gonna try the recipe and tell me what do you think about it, and I'm gonna see you here next time with another delicious recipe. Until then, 5 reasons to smile. Have an awesome day. Bye bye.